Hello. Hello malume Kilongi. Malume ngicela kubuta la ususole usesengiyini security lethu lembabane kuqalela ngifuna ukucela khona ngithathele yes ngithathele quotation lelinye hotel yes. I know kutala omnye umuntu malume manje angifuni ukucekela phasi angifuni nje nekusola nangihulumende. Yes malume ngicela usesengiyini security wena malume lapha letuli lephepha. Ngicela yes now shayisa malume ngicela uyile lapha eHilton. Yes uyasaba no malume manje ngosiyama malume ngiyacela manje nkosami ngizakusendela nemali lapha etime out ijabulise mani malume. Yes ungiphuthele nje ukuthi malini breakfast malini lunch then malini cause lo muntu yes yeah you spend for the whole weekend yes bese ungilethele la eHilton. No, not low class. Yes, ngicela bambeke letulu. Kuta maho, yes. This coming weekend. Maho mupi? Munye maho. Ay. Why ngifaka tindle? Ya malume lo mthi akufuneki malume mani Nkosi yami. Hayi into konelana. Ngitakubhadala lokusukuma kwakho uye lapha eHilton ungibutele nje emalini, yes. Mntwana bathi ngifuna ungcebeleka lapho yes hayi uzawa yeah makuya sawa no fana reception wanika leliciko and now I can't believe it and uhulumende akangithethisa ukuthi mahube sekalala mina ngaka acting I can't imagine myself. Yes it's coming through this one. Yes, it happens at a country club here. We don't pay for performer, but in front of people, a massage. Malini? Madam. So, Catalan, madam.